Hey guys, in this video I want to show you what happens to the word for when we speak really quickly and it becomes a little sound like fa, fa, okay? From for to fa. Ready? Let's go. Alright, now we have seen before in the video about to that schwa, the sound of It's this very soft vowel, right? The vowels of A, E, I, O, U, but schwa is like the sixth vowel of right? Now for can be fa. When we speak a little quickly, it can be fa. Now, for is the strong pronunciation of for, with this strong or sound, right? Fa is the weak pronunciation. The rule about when is very similar to the rule about to ta. Before a consonant, when we speak quickly, we can make it fa, right? Before a vowel, it will stay strong. It will stay for, right? For example, I need a good computer for work. Now, if I speak slowly, it's fine. But if I go faster, I need a good computer for work. I need a good computer for work. Because you can see that W is a consonant for work. I need a good computer for work, right? And this is what all native speakers in all countries do. Now, here's an example. It's difficult for us. And you can see that us starts with a vowel. So now it's just difficult for us. It will never be for us, just for us. Got it? Examples of phrases where we use for, right? To have something for someone. To need something for something. It's hard for me. To live there for a quantity of time. To wait for someone. To do something for someone. So now we can see, just compare what happens when we speak a little bit faster. To have something for someone. Have something for someone. To need something for something. It's hard for me. It's hard for me. To live there for a quantity of time. To wait for someone. To do something for someone. Can you see the difference? And this is what happens in all countries who speak English and what happens when we speak quickly. So again, we need to be kind of careful with the pronouns that about for me, for you, but for her, for him, for us, for them. Why? Because if you remember that the for her, the H will disappear speaking quickly. H in I-M, H-I-M, so it's for her, for him, for em. Not for em, right? I know it's a little bit complicated, but just be careful with this in your speaking and in your listening, okay? So now let's train some simple examples. Always just go nice and slow and listen to my accent, listen and repeating. Always training your accent, all right? Let's go. I can do it later for you if you want. I can do it later for you if you want. I can do it later for you if you want. How long did you live there for? I lived there for 6 years. I lived there for 6 years. My dad really helped me. He paid for my car insurance this year. He paid for my car insurance this year. It is really important for me to keep my deadlines. It's really important for me to keep my deadlines. It's really important for me to keep my deadlines. We are looking for someone to start working here immediately. We're looking for someone to start working here immediately. We're looking for someone to start working here immediately. Is it really so hard for you to pay attention to what you're doing? Is it really so hard for you to pay attention to what you're doing? Is it really so hard for you to pay attention to what you're doing? Okay guys, that ends this video about for to fa. I hope that was nice and clear and helpful. In the next video, I want to talk about another little word called of, and how of can become a. Okay? See you there guys.